Hi and hello everyone. This is Preeta. We are seeing class 8 chapter 4 playing with numbers revision exercise long answer question. We are going to see the 28th sum. Find the missing value in the following. So they have given a division. So A4 is the divisor, B6 is a dividend, and they have given the quotient as 2b4. So they have given the division process and we have to find the three unknown values. We can see here A is unknown, B is unknown, and C value is unknown. So we have to find out all the three unknown values. So when we compare the value over here, we can see 31B minus 30C will give you 136. So we can see here 13C will give you 0. So in the final step we can see 136 minus 13C will give you 0, which means 136 minus 136. From the last step we can conclude the C value as 6, because when the same value is subtracted we will be getting the value as 0. So from the final step we can conclude that C value as 6. So when we take the first step, so we can see A4 is dividing B, and A4 into 2 gives 68. And here 68 leaves the remainder as 31. So we will take only the first step. Okay. So A4 is multiplied to 2. So A4 into 2 gives 68. So in order to find the value of A, we have to take 2 to the other side. When 2 is in multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So which means A4 is equal to 68 divided by 2. So A4 is equal to 34. So from here we can see A is 3, 4 is nothing but 34, from which we can conclude A is equal to 3. Okay, so we have taken the first step. So A4 in multiplied by 2 gives 68. So we are going to take only the first step. A4 into 2 gives 68, which means when 2 goes to the other side, 68 divided by 2, it gives 34, which means A4 is nothing but 34. So A value is 3. Now we are going to substitute 34 into 2 gives 68. So here from this we are going to find out what will be the value of B. So we can see that B minus 68 gives the remainder as 31, which means when we take 68 to the other side we will be getting the value of B. So B is equal to minus 68. When it goes to the other side it becomes plus 68. So which means 31 plus 68, it becomes 99, from which we can conclude B value is 9. So we have found out A value, B value and C value. Now we will try to substitute all the three values and check whether the division is correct. So we can see here 34 into 2s are 68, 34 into 3s are 102. So when we take the first two digit 99, so we can take 34 into 2s are 68. So 34 into 2s are 68. So when we subtract we get the remainder as 1, 3, 31. Next we are going to take the next value as 9. So 319. Next we can see the remainder as 319. We know 34 into 10s are 340. So this is just smaller than 340. So we can take 34 into 9. So 34 into 9 we will be getting the value as 306. So we can try to take 9s are, because 10s are 340. So we can take 9s are. So 9s are 306. So again when we subtract we get the remainder as 13. So next we can take 6, 136. So we can see 34 into 4s are 136. So 34 into 4s are 136, and finally we get the remainder as 0. So when the A value is 3, B value is 9 and C value is 6, so we get the division correctly. We are going to see the 29th sum. Choose a digit from 1 to 9 for A and C. So we have to find out what will be the value of A and what will be the value of C, where the letter A and C stands for different digit. So A and C is not the same value. It should be a different value. So from this given information, we can see A into C into here AC means it is of A is in 10th place. So 10 into A plus C is in 1's place. So we can see AC. So like when it is 13, so C value is in 1's place and A value is 10's place. So 10 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So here 1. For 1 we have A is in 10's place and C value is in 1's place. Same way when we take here C value, we can see this C is in 1's place. So next is in 10's place and next is in 100 place. So we can write this given information as 100C plus 10C plus 1C. So here we can write A into C into 10A plus C, which is equal to, we can take C outside, where we can have the remaining value as 100 plus 10 plus 1. So A into C into 10A plus C equal to 101C. Okay, so here we can see both side we have C. We can cancel the value of C. So the remaining will be A into 10A plus C equal to 101. So we can try to take the factors of 101. So 101 is not divisible by 2 table, not divisible by 2 table. Next we can see 3 table. So when 101 is, when we try to check for 3 table, we can see 3 into 37s are 111 and 37 into 1s are 37. So 111 can be written as, so A into 10A plus C equal to 3 into 37. So here we can try to compare both the values. We can try to take A as 3 and C value as 7. So which means A equal to 3 and C value as 7. We will try to compare both sides. So we can try to take A as 3 and C as 7. So when we write 3 in value of A into 10, A is nothing but 10 into 3 plus C value is 7 equal to 3 into 37. So 3 into 30 plus 7 equal to 3 into 37, which is 3 into 37 is equal to 3 into 37. So we get both the sides equal. So when the value of A is 3 and value of C is 7, we get both the side as equal. Now we will try to substitute the value of A and C. So 3 into 7 into 37 is equal to, over here, 777. So 7 3s are 21 into 37 is equal to 777. So now we will try to multiply 37 into 21. 7s are 7, 3, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 7, 7, 7. So 777 is equal to 777. So when the value of 3, A is equal to 3 and C is equals to 7, we get both the sides equal. Means A equal to 3 and C equal to 7 satisfies the condition. We will see the last sum in revision exercise of chapter 4, 30th sum. Rohit needs to solve the magic square shown alongside, such as every row, column and diagonal add up to 15. So the given magic square is here. So each side we should be getting 15. When we add the value, we should be getting up to 15, and along the diagonal also. So diagonal means, so by this way we should be getting the 15, and by this way also we should be getting the value as 15. So by this way and by this way also. So Rohit has solved the magic grid. We have to find out what error has he made. So we can see Rohit had solved the magic grid where he had formed 15 by this way and 15 by this way. But when we check the diagonal value, 2 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 10. So which is not equal to 15. Same way when we check by this way, so 9 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 20. So which is not equal to 15. So he has made mistake that the diagonal is not equal to 15. So we have to correct the box so that each side when we add we should be getting the value as 15. So the given box is 2 and they have given the center as 5 and the next value is 3, and here they have given the value of 6. So each side when we add we should be getting the value as 15. So they have given two value, 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So we need to add one more value in order to get the value of 15. So we can add 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 will be getting the value as 15. So when we check by this way, so we will be getting the value 7 plus 5 plus 3, which is also equal to 15. And next we are going to set the diagonal. So when we check this diagonal, so 2 plus 5, so 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. So we need to add one more value to get the value of 15. So we can add 8. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 plus 8. So we can take the value as 8. Now when we take from top to bottom, so 6 to 8. So this side we can see 6 plus 8 and we will be needing one more value. So 6 plus 8 is 14. We can take the value as 1. So 1 we will be getting the value as 15. So next when we take by this side we have 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 we will be getting the value as 11. So we need 4. So in order to get the value as 15. So you can take the value as 4. Next 2 plus 4 is 6. So when we see top to the bottom, so we can see 2 plus 4 is 6. So we can add 9 in order to make the value as 15. So now we can see all the boxes we have filled from the numbers 1 to 9. No number is repeated, and same way each side when we add we will be getting the value as 15. Thank you.